Time is money, and companies are constantly looking for ways to increase productivity and efficiency. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through automation. Automation refers to the use of technology to perform tasks that were previously done by humans. By automating repetitive, time-consuming, and error-prone tasks, companies can free up their employees to focus on more strategic and high-value activities. We will discuss the various types of automation, the industries and job roles that can benefit from it, and real-life examples of successful implementation of automation to improve productivity. Types of automation. There are several types of automation that companies can leverage to streamline tasks and reduce errors. One of the most common types of automation is software automation. This involves the use of software programs to automate tasks such as data entry, report generation, and customer service. Manufacturing automation is another type of automation that involves the use of robots and other machines to perform tasks such as assembly, packaging, and quality control. Other types of automation include process automation, which involves the automation of business processes, and cognitive automation, which involves the use of artificial intelligence to automate tasks such as decision-making and analysis. Industries and job roles that can benefit from automation. Automation can benefit almost any industry and job role. However, some industries and job roles may benefit more from automation than others. For example, industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare can benefit significantly from automation. In manufacturing, automation can help increase production rates, reduce errors, and improve quality control. In logistics, automation can help streamline supply chain management, reduce costs, and improve delivery times. In healthcare, automation can help improve patient care, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. Real-life examples of successful implementation of automation. There are several real-life examples of successful implementation of automation to improve productivity. For example, Amazon has implemented a range of automation technologies in its warehouses, including robots that can pick and pack items. This has helped the company to significantly increase its productivity and reduce errors. Another example is the use of chatbots by companies such as H&M and Sephora to provide customer service. This has helped these companies to reduce the workload of their customer service teams and improve response times. In the healthcare industry, automation has been used to improve patient care. For example, the NHS in the UK has implemented a system called Florence, which uses text messages to remind patients to take their medication. This has helped to improve patient adherence to medication regimes and reduce hospital readmissions. Automation is a powerful tool that can help companies to increase productivity, reduce errors, and maximize efficiency. By leveraging technology to automate repetitive, time-consuming, and error-prone tasks, companies can free up their employees to focus on more strategic and high-value activities. There are several types of automation that companies can leverage, including software automation, manufacturing automation, and cognitive automation. Almost any industry and job role can benefit from automation, but some may benefit more than others. Real-life examples of successful implementation of automation demonstrate the significant benefits that can be achieved. As technology continues to advance, the potential for automation to improve productivity and efficiency will only continue to grow.